up there.
We are at Peter Iredale shipwreck, and it's a state park. And whoops, where's my? There it is, right there. We're gonna walk down there. We're wiggling because we're in the motorhome still, and people are walking around. And I got it on telephoto. Let me get out. We're gonna come up here and get the history. Look at that. That's the ocean. Look at that. Pacific Ocean. We drove up from where we camped last night. And this is the Pacific Ocean. Isn't this awesome? And now we're gonna walk over here. Whoops. And we're gonna check out the history. We're gonna walk down to the shipwreck. I was here when I was a child, and I have a picture of my mom and my brother and my stepbrother and stepsisters all walking up from here. Okay. Let's see. I don't know if this is going to show up, but that is the ship right there. That is when it wrecked. Let's see, what are we getting? Okay. That is when it wrecked, right there. Right there. A long time ago, see the horses? And then right here. And then here's another, oops. Okay, let me stand in the light there. And it says, whoops. It says, in October 25th, 1906, with an empty cargo hold and only 28 days out of Salina Cruz, Mexico, the Peter Iredale ran aground. Bound for Portland and a new load of cargo, Captain H. Lawrence offered his crew a bonus if they cut 5 days off the normal sailing time. Perfect sailing conditions allowed them to make good time, and the crew anticipated a rewarding voyage. Nearing their destination, they encountered a strong southwest storm. The captain gave the order to stand off the mouth of the Columbia. A few hours past midnight, the Peter Iredale was lost as a gust of I quit narrating because some people came up. So I hope you guys can stop the video and read the history on the ship. That's what's left of it. That beautiful ship. That's after it. This here is after it wrecked. And that's after it wrecked. That's after it wrecked. And that's after it wrecked. But this is what it looked like originally. Isn't that a beautiful ship? Okay, cool. I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye because it's gonna be hard to hold it steady. And maybe when I get down there I might make another short one if it is worth doing that down there. But that, with the telephoto there, that's what's left of the ship. And that's the ocean. That's the Pacific Ocean. Isn't that beautiful? But I only have like 30 minutes left, and I'd like to save some time to film something else if we do. And this is 8 minutes long now. So please like and subscribe. Please hit the bell so that you can get notified when I put up a new video. And I want to thank everyone for helping me to hit over 200 subscribers. And thanks a lot, you guys. And have a good day and enjoy the video.